In this essential iPhone tutorial, we are going to learn how to connect iPhone to a printer quickly and easily. We will explore how to print from iPhone using the built-in AirPrint feature and the best options for connecting to a wireless printer even without AirPrint. You might have an important document, a ticket, or a photo on your phone that you need to get onto paper right now. In the past, you would have to email it to yourself, turn on your computer, download the file, and then print it. It was a hassle. Your iPhone can actually talk directly to your printer, skipping the computer entirely. I'm your host, and in this guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to make that connection. We will focus on the gold standard method, AirPrint, which is Apple's native technology that works with almost all modern printers. We will also briefly touch on what to do if your printer is a bit older and doesn't support AirPrint, using specific manufacturer apps. By the end of this video, you'll be able to print anything from your phone with just a few taps. To get started, you need two main things. First, you need your iPhone. It doesn't matter if it's an older model or the newest one, as long as it's updated. Second, you need a printer that supports Wi-Fi. The most critical requirement is that both your iPhone and your printer must be connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. If your printer is on home network and your phone is on 5G or guest network, they will not be able to see each other. Let's get printing using the AirPrint method. This is the easiest way because you don't need to download any extra apps or drivers. First, locate the item you want to print. This could be a photo in your Photos app, a PDF in your Files app, or an email in the Mail app. Open the item so it's full screen. Now, look for the Share icon. It looks like a small square with an arrow pointing upwards. Tap on that. This will open the Share Sheet menu. Scroll down through the list of text options until you find Print. Go ahead and tap it. This brings you to the Print Options screen. At the top of this screen, you will see a field that says Printer. If it says No Printer Selected, tap on it. Your iPhone will now scan the Wi-Fi network. After a few seconds, your printer's name should appear in the list. If the printer appears, then tap on your printer to select it. We will just pretend it has appeared. Once your printer is selected, you can choose your options. You can select how many copies you want, whether you want double-sided printing, or even pick a specific range of pages. When you are ready, simply tap the blue print word in the top right corner. Your printer should start whirring almost immediately. Now, what if your printer doesn't show up like me? If you have an older wireless printer that doesn't support AirPrint, you can often still print. You will need to go to the App Store and download the official app for your printer brand. For example, search for HP Smart, Canon Print, or Epson iPrint. I have an Epson printer, so I will try to install Epson iPrint. Tap on the blue App Store icon. In the Search tab at the bottom right, type in Epson iPrint and press Search. You will see a few results, but you want the one simply named Epson iPrint with the blue logo. The developer should be listed as Seiko Epson Corporation. Tap the Get button, or the cloud icon if you've downloaded it before, to start the download. Once the app is installed, tap Open to launch it. You will likely see a user agreement screen. You'll need to tap Agree or OK to proceed. Now you are on the main dashboard of the app, but it's not connected yet. Look at the very top of the screen. You should see a blue bar that says Printer is not selected, or tap here to select a printer. Go ahead and tap that blue bar. The app will now search your local Wi-Fi network for any compatible Epson printers. After a few seconds, your printer's name should appear in the Local list. Tap on your printer's name. The app will take a moment to connect and check the printer's status. Once connected, the blue bar at the top will change to show your printer's name and ink levels. You are now ready to print. You can tap Print Photos to choose a picture from your camera roll, or Print Documents to choose a PDF or Word file from your iPhone's files. Now tap on Photos. Find the Epson iPrint app and tap it. Now tap on Print. The printer will print the picture. A great hidden tip in the Print Options screen is the ability to create a PDF. When you are on the Print Preview screen, where you see the little thumbnails of your pages, if you use 2 fingers to zoom in or pinch out on the thumbnail, it will convert that document into a PDF file, which you can then save or share. instead of printing it to paper. If you print photos often, make sure to check your printer's paper tray. AirPrint doesn't always know what size paper is loaded. What if you see the dreaded "No AirPrint printers found" message? First, double-check your Wi-Fi. Is your phone definitely on Wi-Fi and not 5G? Is it the same network name as the printer? If the network is correct, the next step is to restart everything. Turn off your printer and turn it back on. Do the same for your iPhone. This forces both devices to reconnect to the network and announce themselves again, which solves the problem 90% of the time. If it still doesn't work, check if your printer has a firmware update available. You can usually check this on the printer's little screen in the settings menu. Updating the printer's software can often fix connectivity bugs with Apple devices. So, we have reached the end of our guide. We have learned how to connect an iPhone to a printer using the simple and powerful AirPrint feature. We walked through opening the Share menu, selecting your printer, and sending the job. We also learned that for older printers, manufacturer apps like HP Smart or Canon Print are excellent backups. You now have the power to turn your digital memories and documents into physical copies directly from the palm of your hand. I truly hope this iPhone printing guide was helpful and saved you the trouble of using a computer. If it did, please give this video a like. It's a simple gesture that really helps the channel grow. And if you're interested in more iPhone tips and tricks to make your life easier, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Finally, I have a question for you. Leave a comment below and tell me, what do you print the most from your phone? Is it photos, work documents, or perhaps shipping labels? I'm curious to know how you use this feature. Thank you for watching.